Hello guys! Today I will show you how to fix four-stroking. First, you need a solder. Tada! And soldering lead. First is you remove the rubber protector. And remove the two rubber protector and start soldering the connection terminal. Now let's do it. We need a little trick here. First, mga po naman. If you think the connecting terminal is heated,
Parang hindi yan.
yeah,
With the new
apply soldering lead. That's it, and this one.
Meron ako sa mga 2 times. Dali na! Maraming nubita. Pagal na ako. Solder naman ka naman. Pero saan naman ba? Pati naman sa baba, di mo na-solder down.
So we're done soldering the connecting terminal. Now let it cool and
Return the cover.
return the rubber cover. So that's it.
Try mo, paano ko mag-post?
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Try mo kung nag-post to rin. Post to rin pa yan? May testing mo yan?